In this video, we're going to show you how to install the map sensor on your Hyundai Elantra located on the front portion of the engine. Now, locating your map sensor, you're going to locate your intake first, and you're going to follow it down just to the right. So you're going to locate your map sensor right here. Now, it is kind of tough. I'm reaching my arm underneath the upper radiator hose, but you want to press down on this tab right here. Ours is kind of stuck, so I'm going to resolve to a pick, a 90-degree pick. Going to work that harness off and just tuck that aside. Now, just to the right of it here, you're going to find a 10mm bolt. I am going to use an extension with a shallow socket and loosen and remove that. Now, you do want to reuse that bolt, so you don't want to lose it. Now we want to go ahead and remove that sensor. Just kind of grab it, try to twist it and pop that out like so. Go ahead and take that sensor, get that lined up. If you can, go ahead and twist that in a little bit and it'll fall in. Go ahead and get that bolt started. Once you have that started, go ahead and snug that down. Snug that down gently. Now you want to go ahead and connect that connector. Line that up. Push it on. And you can feel and hear it click into place. Now at this point here, if you do have a check engine light on, you want to go ahead and use a scan tool and properly clear that code. At that point there, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.